Welcome back to Camera Lab, where I help you find the gear that actually delivers. Today, I'm breaking down the top 11 best camera for studio portraits, perfect for creators, photographers, and anyone ready to level up image quality. Whether you're shooting professional headshots, creative portraits, or content for clients, this list covers powerful options available on Amazon. I'll walk you through features, performance, and who each camera is best for so you can choose with confidence. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Number 1. 5K Wi-Fi Vlogging Camera. This 5K Wi-Fi vlogging camera surprised me with how much it packs into a compact body. I love the ultra-sharp resolution for studio portraits, especially when I need to crop without losing detail. The Wi-Fi feature makes transferring shots quick, which keeps my workflow smooth during long sessions. Colors look natural under studio lights, and the sensor handles skin tones nicely. Autofocus is responsive, locking onto faces without hunting, which is huge when directing models. I also appreciate the lightweight design, making tripod adjustments effortless. The menu system feels beginner-friendly, but still offers manual controls when I want to fine-tune exposure. For content creators who want a versatile camera that works for portraits and video, this one feels like a smart, budget-friendly choice that doesn't cut corners where it matters most. Overall, it's reliable, sharp, and easy to recommend. Number 2. 5K Dual Screen Camera. The 5K dual screen camera is a fun and practical option for studio portrait work. I really like the dual screen setup because it helps with framing, especially when I'm shooting self-portraits or guiding a subject remotely. Image quality is crisp, and the 5K resolution captures fine facial details beautifully. In controlled lighting, the dynamic range performs better than expected, keeping highlights and shadows balanced. The camera feels responsive, with quick startup and smooth operation during shoots. I found the controls intuitive, which saves time when switching settings between poses. Its compact size fits perfectly into smaller studio setups, and it doesn't feel intimidating for beginners. If you want flexibility, modern features, and strong image clarity without stepping into bulky gear, this dual-screen camera is a solid confidence-boosting pick.
Number 3. 4K Flip Screen Camera. This 4K flip screen camera is all about simplicity and control. I enjoy using the flip screen to fine-tune composition without constantly moving back and forth from the tripod. For studio portraits, the 4K sensor delivers clean, detailed images with pleasing color accuracy. Skin tones look natural, and noise stays low under proper lighting. The autofocus does a respectable job, especially for static portrait sessions. What stands out to me is how user-friendly this camera feels even for newer photographers. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and quick to set up. The flip screen is also great for creative angles and overhead shots. If you're building a home studio and want dependable results without complexity, this camera strikes a nice balance between quality, ease, and affordability.
Number 4. 5K Pro Travel Camera. The 5K Pro Travel Camera brings professional-level detail into a portable design. I like how it handles studio portraits with sharp resolution and consistent color output. The 5K sensor gives me plenty of room to crop while keeping images crisp. Under studio lighting, contrast looks balanced and facial features stay well defined. The camera feels solid in hand, yet it's easy to mount and adjust during sessions. I appreciate the fast response time, which keeps shoots flowing smoothly. Manual controls are accessible, letting me dial in exposure and white balance precisely. This camera works well for photographers who move between studio and location work. If you want one camera that adapts easily while still delivering high-quality portrait results, this pro travel option definitely earns attention. Number 5. Minolta 53X Zoom Camera. The Minolta 53X Zoom camera offers impressive flexibility for portrait photographers who like options. While the massive zoom is great for other styles, I found it surprisingly capable in studio environments too. Image quality is sharp and colors remain accurate when properly lit. The camera handles skin tones nicely, giving portraits a pleasing, natural look. I enjoy the stability and comfortable grip, which helps during longer shoots. Autofocus performs reliably, locking onto faces without much delay. The menu system is straightforward, making adjustments easy between setups. This camera feels like a versatile all-rounder, especially if you shoot more than just portraits. If you want a dependable brand name with strong zoom capability and solid portrait performance, the Minolta 53X is worth considering. Number 6. Nikon 83X Zoom Camera. The Nikon 83X zoom camera brings Nikon's trusted color science into a highly versatile body. For studio portraits, I was impressed by the clarity and consistent exposure it delivers. Even though it's known for zoom, the camera performs well at standard portrait focal lengths. Skin tones look balanced and details remain sharp under studio lights. The build quality feels sturdy, which gives confidence during frequent use. Autofocus is quick and accurate, especially when working with stationary subjects. I also like the intuitive controls, which make it easy to adjust settings mid-session. This camera suits photographers who want one device for multiple styles without sacrificing portrait quality. If versatility and brand reliability matter to you, this Nikon option fits nicely into a portrait studio setup. Number 7. 5K Compact Vlog Camera. The 5K Compact Vlog camera is small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful for studio portraits. I like how easy it is to integrate into tight spaces without cluttering the setup. The 5K resolution delivers crisp images with plenty of detail for editing. Colors are vibrant but not overdone, which works well for natural-looking portraits. Autofocus tracks faces smoothly, keeping subjects sharp throughout the shoot. The lightweight design makes repositioning fast and stress-free. I also appreciate how beginner-friendly the interface feels while still offering creative control. This camera is ideal if you want a minimal setup that still produces professional-looking results. For creators balancing portrait photography and video content, this compact 5K camera feels like a smart, modern choice. Number 8. Canon 5D DSLR Bundle. The Canon 5D DSLR bundle is a classic choice that still shines in studio portrait photography. I love the full-frame sensor, which delivers beautiful depth of field and rich detail. Skin tones come out smooth and flattering, especially under controlled lighting. The DSLR body feels solid and professional, inspiring confidence during client shoots. Autofocus is reliable, and manual controls are excellent for fine adjustments. This bundle usually includes useful accessories, making it a strong value for serious photographers. I appreciate the consistency Canon offers, especially for color and dynamic range. If you want a proven workhorse that produces timeless portrait results, the Canon 5D bundle remains a dependable and respected option. Number 9. Nikon 83X Zoom Bundle. The Nikon 83X Zoom Bundle adds extra value to an already capable camera. In the studio, I found image quality to be sharp and well-balanced, with natural colors and good contrast. The included accessories help streamline setup and reduce extra purchases. Autofocus performs confidently, especially for posed portrait sessions. The camera feels comfortable to use for extended periods, which matters during long shoots. Nikon's color rendering works nicely with skin tones, giving portraits a clean, professional look. I also like the flexibility this bundle offers for photographers who shoot multiple styles. If you want a complete package that handles portraits well and offers versatility beyond the studio, this Nikon bundle is a practical and reliable pick. Number 10. Canon Rebel XT DSLR Kit. The Canon Rebel XT DSLR kit is a great entry-level option for studio portrait photography. I appreciate how approachable it feels while still delivering solid image quality. The DSLR sensor captures pleasing detail and natural colors under studio lights. Controls are simple, making it easy to learn and grow with the camera. Autofocus works well for stationary subjects, which is perfect for portrait sessions. The lightweight body is comfortable to handle, even during longer shoots. This kit is ideal for beginners building their first studio setup. If you want Canon reliability without a steep learning curve or price tag, the Rebel XT kit offers a friendly starting point with dependable portrait results. Number 11. 4K Autofocus Vlogging Camera. The 4K Autofocus Vlogging Camera is a versatile choice that adapts well to studio portraits. I like how sharp the 4K sensor looks, delivering clean images with accurate colors. Autofocus is quick and dependable, locking onto faces without hesitation. In a studio setting, this makes sessions smoother and more efficient. The compact design fits easily into smaller spaces and setup is fast. I appreciate the balance between automatic features and manual control, which helps fine-tune shots. This camera works especially well for creators who switch between photography and video. If you want a modern, flexible camera that handles portraits confidently, this 4K autofocus option is a strong contender. That wraps up my breakdown of the top 11 best camera for studio portraits available on Amazon right now. I hope this guide helped you narrow down the right camera for your style, skill level, and studio setup. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your gear, the right camera can make a huge difference in portrait quality. Remember to check the links in the description for current pricing and full specs. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Camera Lab, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next review.